On the 8th of January 1828, the Democratic Party was established in the United States as the oldest active voter-based political party in the world. Welcome to HistoryPod. The Democratic Party itself traces its foundation to the establishment of Thomas Jefferson's Republican Party in 1792, which confusingly became retroactively known as the Democratic Republican Party to avoid confusion with the modern Republican Party. However, this ignores the fact that the party splintered during the presidential elections of 1824, after which John C. Calhoun and Martin Van Buren assembled a faction of the party behind war hero Andrew Jackson. As the hero of the Battle of New Orleans and a symbol of the expanding frontier, Jackson's popularity transcended regional boundaries. He became the rallying point for the common man and for those who valued individual rights and state sovereignty, rather than Adams's focus on central government planning. Drawing support from a broad coalition of farmers, city-dwelling labourers and Irish Catholics, the early Democratic Party opposed a national bank and high tariffs while broadly supporting slavery, or at least the right of individual states to make their own policies regarding it. The presidential election of 1828 served as the catalyst for the Democratic Party's formation. After a campaign marked by intense public engagement and an aggressive use of the press, Jackson secured a resounding victory. The Democratic Party emerged not just as a political force, but as a movement with a clear identity and a commitment to the principles of individual liberty and populism. The party has changed significantly since its foundation almost 2 centuries ago. Having faced a north-south split over the issue of slavery in 1860, the 20th century saw the Democrats adopt more of a socially liberal platform and become increasingly progressive.